So we have been setting up a program for some of the work that we do with children, and the team have been just so incredible in terms of how to really automate a lot of that process, and we've had amazing results. So we've actually sold a lot of packages, which is within about 3 months equated to close to 18,000 or 18,500 in extra revenue on top of our other marketing activities. So just from that one strategy alone, which has been incredible, given that we're a Melbourne-based clinic, and this has all been through the middle of COVID and stage 4 restrictions. So it's been an absolute blessing in terms of just the timing, but just in terms of how well it works. And even outside of that, that was our main focus in the first few months of being on the program. But we've had results in other areas because you start to think the way that Kerry teaches you to. So we've applied those concepts to other parts of our, just even Facebook posts and marketing more generally. And we have seen an dramatic increase in the number of new patients each week, which isn't even taken into consideration into those results that I just shared with you.